Hi you guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be sharing this halo eye, like a halo glittery eye makeup look. I've did a halo eye makeup look in my previous video once, but this is very different of that one as compared to. So yeah, let's just start with the video only with the eye makeup and my face makeup. I've did my base makeup of the camera, you're gonna see it. So yeah, let's just start with the video. Okay guys, so I did my base makeup of the camera and I did my base very lightly, like I've just put a BB cream and just a little compact and that's it. I have not put any foundation, any concealer, so this is how it is. So I've not covered any of my imperfection like my scars or my dark circles and nothing. So I just want my main concentration on my eyes and my lips. So for my eye makeup, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline, the Nudes palette, and it has very neutral shade like a black or like brown something. I will use only very light, maybe like this two shades as my transition and some black color to deepen and darken a little bit. And then I will use a concealer and I will put some shimmer. I have like two shimmer options in my mind. So I've just bought both of them. First is this palette. This is the TIY, like TYA palette. And I will use maybe like this shimmery shade because it has a lot of shimmery shade. Like the full palette is very shimmery. So and it's also very pigmented. I will maybe use this shimmery color like silverish. Or maybe on top of that I will use this glitter palette. This is by Stars glitter eyeshadow. And I will use, and it is so glittery, so maybe I will use this one. So like this silver color I will use on top of the eyeshadow. So that's thing in my mind, in my head. I have like a very rough picture of what eye makeup I'm gonna be going. So yeah, let's just start. And I will use only three color, like maximum I will use only three color on my eyes. And yeah, let's just begin with the eyeshadow application. Okay, so with the very fluffy eyeshadow, with a very fluffy brush, I'm gonna be taking this light brown color and form a transition on my eyes. It's a very light color, so I'm just applying it on my eyes like as my transition. Just like this. Can you see me? So just blending it out because I'm creating a halo eye makeup, like a glittery halo eye. So I just want it to be a little around because the main pigment is gonna be go like this on my eyeball. So very lightly I'm doing. I think that's it. I'm not gonna be building this one because I want to darken it with the dark brown color. So now I'm gonna be taking another fluffy but a smaller brush, and I'm gonna be taking the mix of the darker brown and black and putting it here and here, just darkening a little bit, not too much, and slowly connecting with slowly connecting with my crease. So yup, just mixing those color, like very tinge of black and dark brown, just like this, not putting it too much, just like this. The main color will be on here and here, and very slightly putting it on together on my crease. I'm not going above my crease because then it's going to be too dark, which I don't want. Taking some black and darken. So just slowly take color and darken your eye area. That's all you're gonna do. Take some color and darken it. Take some color and darken it. and blending also, because you know blending is the key when it's come to eye makeup. Yeah, that's it. You're gonna leave this area empty because that's where we're gonna put um, our main color, and taking the same very fluffy color and some lighter brown, and just applying it on my crease and blending this, because it's like a hack. When you take a dark color and you want to blend it, you just take very light color and blend with that. So that's where the blending is very easier. Can you see? It's gonna look like a ombre, like very dark, and then slowly it is going lighter. That's all you're gonna do. And if you notice your color has become lighter, just take some black and brown and build like this. That's what you're gonna do. Just adding and blending, just adding and blending. That is the only thing you're gonna do until you satisfied with your outcome. So to cut my crease, I'm gonna be taking the Sugar concealer. You can take any concealer you want, and with some flat brush, like with the flat brush, taking some concealer on the brush. Make sure you take a liquidy runny concealer, because that's when cutting the crease is easier. So I'm just take and apply where you want to cut the crease. Make sure you don't put a very harsh line, because then it's gonna be a little difficult to blend. Just very lightly pat the concealer on the middle of your lid and just blend out the harsh edges. So this is how you want to blend your concealer, like no harsh edges, as you can see. So now I'm going to be taking a silver color from this palette, like this silver color. It's a shimmery color, and taking with a finger and just topping it up above the concealer, because for shimmery shade fingers are the best. So I'm just applying it where I have put concealer. But it's okay, it's no problem if you apply it on your darker eyeshadow, because we're gonna adjust that in a bit. Now I will take the glitter eyeshadow and apply using a finger. So it has already have glue in it. It's like very sparkly. So applying it on. Okay, so after you're done, you just take a blending brush and just blend everything out, like every harsh edges. So I have blended everything, and this is the outcome. So this is how it's looking. And if the color is lighten a little bit, you can take some black and brown and darken that thing. So this is how it's looking, and I kind of like the outcome. So yup, I think that's it. And after that, I will apply some eyeliner, like taking some Maybelline liner and apply like a wing liner. So like this. As I usually do, like a very thin wing liner to sort of complete everything. And yep, that's it. My liner is done. And for my kajal, yes, I will use the Rock the Line Kajal, Rock the Line Kajal by Nykaa, and I'm done. Like, I'm not going to apply a very thick kajal, just lining my lower lash line, and that's it. That's it. And for mascara, I will use the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. Okay, I got it, and I will put a good layer of mascara to my lashes. Make sure to put a little more mascara on the lower side, on the roots, and some lower lash line. And yep, that's it. I'm just going to complete other eye makeup, and I will back in just a second. Okay, so I've did my both of the eyes, and now I'm going straight away to my face. And for contour, I'm gonna be taking the Sugar Single Mini Bronzer. This is the shade 02 Woody Bronzer, and I'm just gonna be bronze my face a little bit using a brush, and just slightly bronzing of my cheekbones a little bit, like very lightly. I will just contour very, like, just a tiny shadow, just like this, and onto my forehead a little bit, very slightly, and this area as well, because my eyes are a little dramatic, so I want my all focus on my face. Make sure you blend the contour very nicely, because yeah, that's important. And don't forget your nose as well. So yeah, that's it. And for my blush, I will take another Sugar Mini blush. This is in the shade Mauve Marble, and just like this. And I will take a brush, and these are very pigmented like hell, so just make sure you not apply too much of the blush. It's very tiny, so I'm going to be applying a little extra, because blushes are the thing that fades very fast, and if I apply a little more on this, so you can see some blush, because blush you can't easily see on camera. So, but also this blush is very long lasting though, so just blend your blush in a circular motion, and yep, don't forget to smile before applying blush. And yep, that's it. And for my highlighter, I'm gonna be taking the Wet n Wild Meg Glow highlighter in the shade Winter Falls in LA, and it is also very pigmented, and it's like very cool tone, very silvery, and what just happened? Okay, and oh my god, it's too pigmented. So This is very, this looks silver, but it's actually not. It's actually bluish undertone. So it kind of matched the vibe of my eye makeup. That's why I've chosen this color and applying it on my high points of my face, my forehead, my nose, everywhere. And make sure to not apply highlighter on the pigmented skin. Oh my god, this looks weird. And of course on my chin a little bit. I'm just blending it out there. I think this have a little less. You can't really see, but it's actually very pigmented. Highlighting all over my face, basically. And for lipstick, I'm gonna be taking this color. This is the Faces Canada in the shade Rugged Allure. This is the Bella de Luxe Jewel Cut lipstick. It comes with a very beautiful packaging with a tiny bag, and I love it. And dude, this is the packaging. It's brilliant. So it's gonna open like this, and it's nice. And it's like a brown color. I've used this color before, and I will apply. It's like a perfect brown color. And it's bullet lipstick and it's not drying. So if you are finding a brown color in a bullet form, this is it. Like the best brown color. So I have another very good brown color in a liquid lipstick also, but that is in the Maybelline Superstay range. Let me just apply and then after I'll talk. Okay, so that's it for my makeup look. I think it's looking decent. And yeah, that's it. I am done. Watching this video. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed. And for more tutorials, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you like it, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.